Euro New Zealand here on the 15 head and shoulders that's set up. Got in this a little while ago, half an hour ago. Been quite aggressive here with the entry, and I'll talk through why. So let's go out to the daily time frame, take a look at this. So here on the dailies, we've yesterday put in this big bullish momentum candle, and right here we put in a higher close above this level, indicating we're going to go higher. Here on the 240, we technically double bottom down here, and we violated this level of structure. Now this is really quite important. I'm going to go ahead here, and you can actually see just here we've come into the wicks, but you can see this clearer on the 60, and this was what I was looking at. So I'm just going to highlight the wicks here on the 60. Okay, and you can see that we've come down into that level. Let's go to the 15. So it was an area where I was looking that we could get a double bottom or a head and shoulders in there, and that's exactly what we've got. So we had a move lower, a pull back, a move lower, which is the head, a pull back, and then we had a move lower, okay, giving us a head and shoulders looking like this, and we have now had a break above, close above this actual level. However, my entry, what did I use for the entry? Okay, it was this. So price had come up to this area, we'd come back down to here, and then we put in a higher close. So just bring back on the orders. I actually got filled then afterwards, a little bit aggressive because we technically didn't make the initial structure high here, though we have now. Stops went just below the low here for me, because as I say, this was quite aggressive. I am actually now going to give this a bit of breathing room. Targets then, well, let's go out to the 240. Can play for secondary targets here as well, can play for a big extension. I'm not actually doing that, I'm just playing for a retest of the highs here. So in terms of risk to reward then, we are looking at we're looking at 14 for a reward of 65. Just back for an update here, currently 20 pips up, moving nicely, looking forward to hopefully making a new structure high here. And we're back for the final part of the update. It's 6:30 in the morning, and I've woken up to this being a lovely winning trade. Just spend a minute talking through this. It's always nice to go back over the trades and see what you did right, what you did wrong, what you could have done better. And I said I was quite aggressive here with the entry, but look at what we did. We pulled up for an initial structure high, clearly violated structure, pulled back, and then put in a higher close. So I did get a better entry, being a little bit more aggressive, but at the same time you do stand a higher chance there of having a losing trade basically. But then what happened? I was drawing this out yesterday. We had a lovely pole, and then we started to consolidate. We started to put in a flag pattern, and that's exactly what we did. And from the flag, look at the breakout, we got a retracement back into the structure level just here, and then a continuation on up to our target. So just going to look at this on the 60. Overall, a very nice trade. I did say there was the potential here for this thing to go a lot higher. There still is, although it does look as though we're actually double topping now, but either way I am out of that. A wonderful, lovely, beautiful head and shoulders trade for plus 65 pips.